So guys, first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this is their search button. Click on this and this enter your model number of your motherboard H510M, and then click to enter. Then click on the product. Otherwise you can see this is H110 and first it is showing here. If not getting, just click to product and find out. Then click on name of the title of your motherboard. Then support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, both installations process same. If you are using any, so you can see this video and download. So first guys, download the all driver. After that I show you installation. So audio driver, this is audio driver, and just click to download. Chipset, Intel enough, serial enough here, and just click to download. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click on download. Then VGA driver, so Intel VGA driver, just click to download. So when you click to download na, it will show in download folder your drivers. So you just click this icon. After that you can see this icons to automatically open this downloaded locations. So you can see this is your driver. Okay, it will download all, because last two is downloading. All downloaded, then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it. Otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device, then next. Now this is installing driver, and then okay, and then finish it, then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes, then finish, next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes, then next, accept, installed, and then okay, then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator, now you can see this is installing, and it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing, then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.